And then you've got the Qenda Ultimate Ashwagandha, which is well known across the UK. I think it's one of the most popular herbs out there, single herb formulations. The ashwagandha is good for stress, anxiety, helps improve people's sleep. It's great for boosting testosterone in males and also increasing strength in males. Ashwagandha is like an Ayurvedic herb, so it's been around for at least 3,000 years and it's been used for them purposes. The reason why the Qenda Ultimate Ashwagandha is so good is because it is just the highest quality that you can get. It's ultra fine, which is obviously great because it mixes easily in any water, juice or food. You can even mix it in with a Qenda Ultimate Fibre shake as well if you want. And the serving size for that is 1 teaspoon. And you can have that once or twice a day, like I said, with food or water, anytime. And then also the reason why the Qenda Ultimate Ashwagandha is so good is because it's been double batch tested to ensure that there's absolutely no impurities in there whatsoever. It's free from pesticides, fungicides, herbicides, heavy metals, made sure that there's no pathogenic bacteria in there, molds, funguses, stuff that can all sneak into a lot of the organic herbal formulations. And that goes exactly the same for the Qenda Ultimate Fibre. That's one of the reasons, like what you're paying for and what you're getting for your money. Double batch tested, no impurities in there whatsoever. So even people with dicky digestive systems and really sensitive tummies, they're absolutely fine with the ashwagandha and the Ultimate Fibre. Also, this ashwagandha is the root, so it's the most beneficial part of the plant, so it works a lot better. And last but not least, this is not an extract, this is a whole food. So this is the ashwagandha root, and it's in its whole food form, its natural form, so it's an energy that the body recognises and can work with. I don't really like extracts because it's not a normal energy. The body does a lot better with whole foods. Same with the Qenda Ultimate Fibre, absolutely zero extracts in there. It's just an energy that the body recognises and that it can work with, and that's why it works so well.